Just north of Victoria and spanning the region between the capital and Nanaimo, you'll find Cowichan Valley, a warm, lush farm country replete with rolling fields protected by a dramatic mountain backdrop. When you dine at Victoria's farm-to-table restaurants, it's likely the farms are here. The two main attractions in Cowichan are the farmers' markets, famed for both their local produce and homemade artisanal products, and the abundant wineries that dapple the valley. Cowichan Valley is the second largest wine-producing region in British Columbia after the Okanagan. There are about 20 wineries in Cowichan, and many have shops, tours, and tasting rooms, offering everything from traditional varietals like pinot noir, pinot gris, gewürztraminer, and ortega to local sparkling wines and fruit wines. Bring a car and do your own wine tour, or sign up for a formal wine tour, complete with a designated driver.